Hey guys, Chef Angela here, and I'm going to show you how to make my easy chicken and corn soup. Let's have a look at the ingredients. We've got creamed corn from a tin, we've got some chicken mince, we've got our garlic, ginger, we also have some egg whites, we've got some soy, we've got a fresh corn cob, some chicken stock and some white pepper. I also have some scallions also for some garnish. Just got my pan on here on a medium heat. I'm just going to add my oil to the pan. You're going to need quite a lot because you're going to need to saute your garlic, ginger and chicken mince in there. I'm just going to prep my garlic. We just want to slice it and then we'll just slice it. We'll pop that to one side and grab your ginger. You're going to slice it into slices and then cut it into matchsticks. I love ginger in my chicken and corn soup. It really makes it quite pungent and also a little bit spicy. Slice that into matchsticks and then into brunoise. There we have it. So our ginger and our garlic goes into the pan. Now I'm going to turn up the heat now. And then grab my chicken mince. I use chicken mince, you can use chicken breast if you really want to. I quite like the mince because it has a little bit of a higher fat content. It brings a lot of flavour to the soup. Now, the corn. The way to cut the corn off the cob. Place it on the side and you want to just cut off to the middle part. You can see. Then put onto the flat side. Always rotating it to the flat side so you don't slip with the knife. So again, slicing on the flat side. Taking off all of that juicy goodness. I'm just scraping off the corn cob to get all of the extra juice as much as possible. That will make your chicken and corn soup really beautiful. Pop that to one side and have a look at your ginger and garlic. I'm going to add my chicken. We're just going to brown that off like you would a bolognese, I suppose. As that browns off nicely. Okay. Now that's coming along nicely as well, you want to grab your chicken stock, your creamed corn and your soy. Just before the chicken's cooked through, add your chicken stock. This is a homemade version that I did make, but if you wanted to use a store-bought one, that's okay as well. Now, the key here is to poach the chicken in the stock, just to make sure it's cooked all the way through. We'll bring that up to the boil. Bring that up to the boil, we'll add our soy. It's about 1 tablespoon. We'll also add our creamed corn. Now this is from a tin. This is about 1 tin. Loved creamed corn. It reminds me also of my childhood, eating it on toast. Stir that through. Also add our corn kernels, breaking them up in between your hands. Smell is just ridiculously good. At this time, white pepper. In Asian cooking, we always use white pepper. Now the key is our egg white. What you want to do is you need to wait until your soup comes to a rolling boil, so quite a high boil, before you actually pour your egg whites in. There's 2 egg whites in here, I'll probably only use 1, and we're going to stir it quite gently. And this will thicken the soup and have that lovely white ribbons throughout the soup. So delicious. There we are. So delicious. And now we're going to turn off the heat and serve up your soup. Grab your bowl that you've already got already. You want to easily ladle your soup into the bowl, quite gently, not to disturb the egg whites. It only really took a couple of minutes to make this soup. You just want to make sure that the mince is really cooked and the eggs cooked through. Just pop my soup down here, guys, and we'll add our chopped scallions. And there you have it, my chicken and corn soup.